Good morning, my dear students.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, I will be your teacher today. I am teacher Joanne. But before we will start our lesson, let's have an energizer first. Okay, stand up. Okay, so repeat after teacher, okay?
Okay.
Okay, like this, our energizer. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, you. Hello, hello, hello. I'm glad to be with you. And you, and you, and you. Okay, very good. Okay, you may take your seat. Okay, before that one, yes, Louise.
Can I have water?
Yes, you can. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, before that one, I just want you to know that the pictures I will use in my presentation are taken from Google Photo and GIF. So, this one are not my illustration and the photo that I am using. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so today we will talk about letter
R.
R. Yes, the sound of letter R. So this one is a big R. And this one is the small R. Yes, let's write R on the air. R. Okay, very good. Again, big R. And the small R. R. Okay, great job. So, next I have here some picture. Let's see. Okay. Let's see some picture of this. Okay. What do you think is this one?
Rocket.
Yes, it's a rocket. And rocket start with letter.
R.
Yes, what's the sound of R?
R.
Yes, it's R. R. Okay. So, next is, what's this one?
Rabbit.
Yes, it's rabbit. Rabbit start with letter.
R.
And the sound of R is?
R.
Yes, very good. It's R. Next is this one. What is this one?
Ring.
Yes, it's a ring. And ring start with letter.
R.
Okay, R. And the sound of letter R is?
R.
Okay, very good. It's R. Next is? It's a?
Rose.
Yes, rose. And rose start with letter?
R.
Yes, letter R. And what's the sound again of letter R?
R.
Very good. Okay, next picture. What is this one?
Robot.
Okay, it's a?
Robot.
Yes, robot. And robot start with letter?
R.
What's again the sound of R?
R.
Yes, again?
R.
Like driving. Okay. This one, what is this one?
Color red.
Yes, it's color red. The red start with letter.
R.
Yes, it start with letter R and the sound again of R.
R.
Very good. Now let's see and find the missing letter. Okay? So, what is this one? It's a?
Eyeball.
Okay, it's a rainbow. And what's the missing letter here?
R.
Yes, it's letter R. Next is, what's this one?
Rooster.
Yes, it's a rooster and the missing letter is?
R.
Yes, it's letter R. What's the sound again of R? Yes. R. Can you do it again? R. Okay. Do you get it, Luis? Can you say it? How about you, Marga? Very good. So this one, what do you think is the missing letter? What is this one? Yes, it's a rice. Okay, it's R. What's again the sound of R? Very good. So, let me see if you really understand our discussion. Okay, get your pencil and your paper.